Alpha Rock supplement is marketed as a male performance formula that supposedly boosts testosterone and enhances overall physical performance. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it another overhyped men's supplement? Now, to be fair, many male performance supplements use legitimate mainstream ingredients like zinc, magnesium, tonkat ali, ashwagandha, or fenugreek, which may have some limited evidence for supporting energy, stress reduction, or testosterone in certain situations. What it does well may help energy and motivation slightly. If the formula contains stimulants or adaptogens, some users may feel more energized, alert, or motivated during workouts or daily activities. Could support workout consistency. Some men report feeling more driven in the gym when taking testosterone support supplements regularly. Where it falls short, it will not create dramatic testosterone transformation. This is the biggest issue. Most over-the-counter performance supplements produce relatively mild effects compared to the aggressive marketing claims. The marketing is often heavily exaggerated. Ads frequently imply massive muscle gain, extreme stamina, or life-changing male enhancement that is not strongly supported by clinical evidence. There is usually limited research on the specific brand itself. Even if some ingredients have legitimate studies, that does not automatically prove Alpha Rock's exact formula delivers dramatic results. So, does Alpha Rock actually enhance performance? Short answer, possibly a little, but probably nowhere near as dramatically as advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.